3, 2, 1. Welcome to Spanish with Dennis again, guys. Bienvenidos a Español con Dennis. And today, hoy, new video and the continuation of the first part of the video that we did some days ago. 10 Spanish verbs, verbos that are very useful if you are a beginner. Yes, guys, for everyday life. Everyday life, we use those verbs and basic vocabulary if you are a beginner, especially, or if you are learning Spanish already some years. It will be practice for you anyway. So guys, today new 10 verbs, and in the last video what we did, you can watch that video. I will let the link on the description of this video, or you can watch when you finish this one if you want. So what verbs we did in the first video? Ser, estar, hablar, tener, pensar, hacer, trabajar, comer, beber y querer. 10 verbos. And today, new 10 verbs. And the number one today to start building your vocabulary in Spanish beginner, or I don't know, basic vocabulary, is ir. Very important verb. Ir. Ir is to go, guys, to go. Yo voy al gimnasio. I go to the gym. Nosotros vamos a la playa. We go to the beach. The verb number 2 today, very important also because we love to sleep, is dormir, to sleep. Dormir. Yo duermo mucho. I sleep a lot. Yeah, yo duermo mucho, dormir. Él duerme en la cama. Got it, guys. The number 3 today is escribir. Very important, to write, guys, to write. Escribir. Yo escribo una carta. Tú escribes un mensaje. And the number 4 today is vivir. Vivir. Vivir is to live. To live. Very important also when someone asks you, ¿dónde vives? Where do you live? Yo vivo en Estados Unidos. Ustedes viven en Nueva York. And the number 5 today is very important also because we use it often. Gustar. Gustar is to like. Gustar. Interesting verb because use different conjugation, guys. Me gusta comer mucho. I like to eat a lot. Nos gusta comer hamburguesa. Hamburger, yeah? The other verb today is estudiar. Very important because you are learning Spanish, guys. Estudiar is to study. Yo estudio español. Nosotros estudiamos español. Y número 7, escuchar, to listen. Escuchar, to listen. Yo escucho música latina. Ustedes escuchan rock. And the number 8, I lost the count. Caminar. Caminar, guys. Caminar, to walk. To walk, caminar. Yo camino en la calle. Ellos caminan en el parque. Caminar. Y número 9, leer, leer, leer. Leer is to read. Very important because maybe you are reading something in Spanish now. All these subtitles and letters and words that I wrote here in this video. Leer, guys. Yo leo este libro. Ustedes leen estas palabras. The last verb of today, número 10, cocinar. Tú cocinas muy rico. Ella cocina muy bien. And today, 10 new verbs that will help you a lot because those verbs we use every day. Basic vocabulary in Spanish, beginners and everyday life, guys. So, what verbs have you learned today? Ir, dormir, escribir, vivir, gustar, estudiar, escuchar, caminar, leer y cocinar. 10 verbos. 10 verbs. And remember, guys, that if you like this video, just let me know in the comment what do you think. Do you like, you don't like, you want more videos like this with this kind of content that can help you with your vocabulary. Just let me know right on the comments down below, and I will be very happy to see your comments. And remember to like and subscribe, and I will be very happy if you can support my channel because this is how you support my channel, and I will be creating a lot of useful content for you Spanish learners. So This is all for today. And remember to watch the first video, 10 verbs in Spanish that can help you with vocabulary, guys. And 20 words in Spanish that can help you if you're a beginner or if you want Spanish everyday life. Those videos will be very useful for you, I'm sure. So, guys, you can watch now if you want, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos.